Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today I've got some a coin here that I can't actually show you up close very well because I only have them in bags. I've never found one in circulation, which I have been looking desperately for, and I've actually been holding off doing this video purely because I really wanted to hold one in hand, but I don't want to open up the bags that I do have. Unfortunately, I didn't grab too many of these bags, so I don't want to open them up. But I can show you a close-up photo, which I will in a moment. Now, this particular coin is the 2017 Eddie Mabo Pride and Passion 50-cent coin. And as we can see here, the mint did give these out in bags at the time. You're able to buy them through the mint website, and if you gave them $10, they gave you $10 worth of 50-cent coins. So we were able to get these coins at face value. Now I'll just take you over. I've got a photo from eBay which I wanted to show you so you can see a bit closer up. And so this is the coin here, and it's in recognition of a 50-year anniversary and the 25th anniversary. So the 1967 referendum, which is the 50-year anniversary in 2017, and the 1992 Mabo anniversary, being 25 years. So that's the coin there. The other side, I'll just try and flick this over, as the queen and the date of 2017. So the mintage on this coin, if I bring it over here, we can see that it is 1.4 million. So a nice low number. Now, there's a reason why I don't think I've ever found these in circulation, because a lot of these coins were sold in bags. A lot of collectors have them, and a lot of not many of them would have made it into circulation. That's certainly in my area, in Victoria. I haven't been able to find any. Hopefully you've been more lucky in other states or other parts of the country. But for me, nope, no luck. And I will keep looking because I would like to put one in my coin folder. I might have to buy one. Now, these things are very cheap to buy on eBay. You can pick them up for around $1.50 plus postage, so really cheap. And it's a bit of a hard one to speculate whether or not this one will go up in value, because collectors have them. It doesn't put much pressure on the buy price, so supply and demand type issue, but possibly in years to come, when more collectors come on board and they want to have a full 50-cent kit, they may start to put the pressure on the price. So at this time, $1.50 is a great buy, and I think I should get one because it's better to have one in uncirculated condition. Alright guys, well, keep a lookout for that coin. As I said, I only have them in bags, and you certainly do want to find them. Alright guys, have a good day, and thanks for watching.